Traditional Chinese scallion egg wrap. Recipe Chinese egg scallion wrap is a conventional dish that is usually burned through in various areas of China. It is popular to be begun in the 18th century from the city of Taiwan. It is generally made utilizing hacked scallion and mustard greens. It is anything but an inspiring and delightful egg wrap that is presented with toasted tortilla sheets on the top. This formula is truly solid since it has legitimate salt, entire eggs, and cleaved cilantro, hoisin sauce, and stew glue and sesame seeds. The gastronomic foundations of this dish can be followed back to the hours of the old Taiwan. This yummy formula is served in all Chinese-themed cafes all throughout the planet and is adored by numerous individuals, including the Chinese and non-Chinese individuals. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 10 minutes. Serving, 2 ingredients. Kosher salt, to taste whole eggs. 4 black pepper, to taste sesame oil. 2 tablespoon tortilla sheets. 2 chopped scallion. 1 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 3 tablespoon mustard greens. Toned tablespoon hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoon chili paste, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, half cup instructions. 1. Take a large frying pan. 2. Add the sesame oil into the pan. 3. Cook the tortilla sheets in the sesame oil. 4. Add the beaten eggs into the pan. 5. Add the mustard greens and chopped scallion into the eggs. 6. Add the sesame seeds, chili paste, hoisin sauce, and chopped fresh cilantro. 7. Add the kosher salt and crushed black pepper on top. 8. Flip the tortilla sheet. 9. Cover the pan with a lid for 5 minutes. 10. Cook the tortilla sheets on both sides. 11th. Wrap the tortilla sheets. 12th. Dish out the egg wrap. 13. The dish is ready to be served.